Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to use Semrush AdCreative AI. Quick note before we get started, today's tutorial is sponsored by Semrush. I'll tell you more about how it can help you. And for now, let's dive in. First, go and log in into your Semrush account and add the adcreative.ai app. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one by using the link down below in the description. You'll find here a button saying try it for now. Now I have clicked on go to app, and then you will get this page. Here you have some options on the left side, brands, projects, and settings. Now when you go to settings, here you can choose the interface language of adcreative AI, and here you will have multiple languages, including French, Spanish, German, and more. And on the right side, you have the dark mode if you want to toggle it on like this. But here in my case, I'll use the normal one. So now let's get back to brands. And now you can set up your brand. You can do this by two methods. The first method is to import from a website. If you already have a website for your brand, you can copy its URL, paste it right here. Now here I have my YouTube channel, for example. I would just paste the link, then wait till it create my own brand. And this is the first method. And you can even add your Shopify or any type of website you have. The second method is to go and complete all these steps down below. First, you'll have to write the brand name. I will name it Zane Zone, for example. And now here you should type a small description about your brand. Let's say that I have a brand selling clothes for men, especially gamers. So are going to add a small description about your brand. And the more text you add, the more info you put. And the more info you put, the better and more accurate you get. Once you finish this step, click on Save and Continue and go to the second step, which is selecting a logo. You can now simply upload the logo from your PC. So here I have added the photo. You can click on Crop Image if you want to crop a specific area of your logo, and you can click on Remove Background if you want to remove the background if you have a background for your logo. But keep in mind that everything you do by using this adcreative AI application, you'll have to spend credits for it. And the credits are the currency that you use to get AI-driven results in adcreative AI. Once you are done with the logo, click on Confirm. Next step is to choose the color. You can name the color by clicking here, then enter the name you need. You can even click on this box to change the color. You can paste the color code or select from this color wheel right here. And if you feel that this color wheel is too much, you can select from presets and you can add up to 4 colors. Once you are satisfied with the color, you can go and choose the other colors, the main colors right here. And you can even choose the AI recommended colors palettes from down below. Once you finish, click on Continue. And finally, you have here the advanced setup. When you click on it, you can change the font. You can upload a specific font or use some fonts from below. Just choose the font, and you can even add an alternative logo right here. Once you finish, click on Create Brand. It will take a couple of seconds in order to create a tailored brand. Now here you have your brand already created. You can now use this AI in order to create ads. And this is the good thing. Here you have multiple assets, and let me overview each one of them for you. You have ad creatives, product photo ads, and the good thing is that when you hover on any one of these assets, it will display how this asset will look. Here you have the stock images, ad texts, batch creatives, ad package, social creatives, ad videos, storytelling ads, fashion photo shoots, custom templates. So you have all the types of ads that you can even imagine. Now let's choose any one of them. I will choose this one. Here you have the social media sizes and the display sizes. But here for my case, I will go for story size, then choose next step. And now you have two options. You can generate one with AI. You can generate the text here using the AI, or you can even enter everything manually. So let's imagine that my clothes brand for gamers are going to make an ad. I will simply type here the main headline, which is collection for gamers, for example. And I can even click on generate texts. When you click on generate text, you can add the URL of your brand, then click on scan the website. So here I added my own YouTube channel just for the demonstration. It added the product description, the language. You can even change it. I'm going to change it to English. And here is the tone of the ad itself. So I will make it friendly. And when you scroll down, you will get more options. but I will make it friendly and click on save and generate. So what it really does, it scans the URL that you have added and analyze the content inside your website and add something related and an advertisement that can be very relevant to your own content on your website. So here it added something relevant, to be honest, and you can even choose some other recommendations by clicking on this arrow right here. You will find more and more recommendations that all are AI generated. You can click on this sign in order to translate it, change the sentiment if you want to make it informal or professional. You can even show it in the text, then click on accept if you are satisfied with the result, or click on retry if you want to generate one more, or click on discard or cancel if you want to get back to the previous one. So I will click on accept, and the same thing you can do it to other texts right here. And now you can click on next step, upload some images and give the project a name. I will name it Ad for YouTube. And now you have two main options when choosing the background image. You can choose from your library, and this includes all the photos that you have used before on the application, or click on upload option and upload any photo that you have on your PC. And the good thing is that when you even leave the project in the middle, it will be saved and you can get to it back again. So now I will choose to search images, and you will find many images from their website. The good thing is that you don't have to worry about copyrights because all the images are AI generated or sourced from iStock, Pixels, and Unsplash. And paid stock images are currently available to all paying app users. Another good thing is that you can use any one of these keywords that are AI generated in order to search for any photo, or you can type the keyword to search with by yourself. So I will search here for esports clothing, and here I have some good photos. You can scroll down. So now let me choose this one, for example. You can crop the image, use the original size, or even delete it. And once you finish, click on generate. It will take a couple of minutes. After waiting, it will give you multiple results. In addition to that, you can see above here the conversion score, which is a virtual score that they add to show exactly how this photo or this AI created ad will be attractive to the viewers. You can add anyone to favorite by clicking on this star icon. You can download the ad or even render the image in other size. In addition, you can edit the post itself by clicking on quick input edit or click on Creative Studio Editor. Once you click on Creative Studio Editor, it will open this section. You can add text, heading, you can even upload an image and add anything you need to your photo from your PC. You can search for stock images. You can add some shapes or even add some layers, change the colors of the ad. You can do zoom in, zoom out. You can even undo the changes by clicking on this button or redo by clicking on this button. Once you are satisfied and want to download it, click on the download button on the top. Then you can even push it directly to your Meta AI account or Google Ads, link it in, or even download it to your own PC. I'm going to click on download image. And if you want to save your changes, you can go to this section, click on save changes. Or if you changed your mind and you want everything to back to the normal, you can click on discard changes. Now keep in mind that you have limited downloads when you are using the free trial. Now we have created our first ad. The good thing is that you can go to brands and choose the brand that you want to create a project for it. You can go to projects and find here all the projects or all the ads that you have created before. And whenever you want to add something new to your project, just click on create project, select any asset, and you're good to go. Now let me show you another important aspect which is used by many users, and this one is ad videos. The good thing about this is that you can insert your products inside the video and choose the creative resolution. I will choose the story video, for example, and you can choose between these two options. I will use this one, then click on next step. Now you'll have to add the background. You can upload anyone or view from your library. And here I have this one, for example. I can use it as a background. Once you select the photo, click on continue. Now go and click on next step. You can do as before, generate the text using the AI or write what you need in here. Let's type here, for example, new collection by now. And once you're all done, click on generate. It will take a couple of seconds and finally create you some AI videos. And the good thing is that you just add a static photo and you get a video with animations and even some motions and music added to your ad. You can do your edits by clicking on this button. You can change the text, the image inside the video itself, the logo color, or even the music. Once you're all done, click on Save Changes. And of course, it will be added to the projects that you have made before. And good thing to mention is that it will display what type of ad is it. So is it ad creatives or ad video, etc. And you can even search for a specific project. You can go here and click on this button and choose a specific type of content that you are looking for. If you are looking for ad videos or ad package, you can choose from this list. And when you go back to brands, click on the brand itself. It will show you all the projects that have been done for this brand itself. Now, whenever you want to edit a specific brand or project, you just have to go to the brand that you want to do some modifications to it. Click on these three dots, click on edit, and do the edits that you actually need. And the same thing can be done to projects by just going to the project itself and do the edits from inside. And if you want even to delete any project or any brand, just hover over it, click on these three dots and click on delete. Here on the top left side, you can click on user manual and it will redirect you to this page. You can see more and more about the AI feature and how to deal with each tool in details. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.